day 5 of our trip down to Pahrump, Nevada this winter. It's this Friday, December 5th. Just finished fueling up here in Mesquite, Nevada. We stayed here last night. Just fueled up this morning to top everything off. We're heading for Pahrump now. This should be, hopefully, barring any more excitement, this will be the end of it. We should be in Pahrump in about 3 hours. We're about 160, 180 miles from Pahrump. We are going to end up skirting through North Vegas, and then we're going to take 95 to the north, a little bit further mileage-wise compared to going through Vegas and out 160, but I really have no interest in going through Vegas or dealing with that Blue Diamond Road going out 160. So a little bit further mileage going the northern route, but it's a lot less traffic and less congestion, just an easier drive. So here we go, we're off. We're getting back on the road here in Indian Springs. We stopped for a quick rest break and decided to take advantage of them having a Bob's Big Boy restaurant here. And got some brunch. We hadn't eaten yet today, and it's now noontime. I had not seen, before finding this place a little while ago, it's out in the middle of nowhere across the street from the military base. But before finding this place, I hadn't seen a Bob's Big Boy in a long time. I didn't know they were still around, so we took advantage of it. Got to sit down for a few minutes, get out of the van and out of the car, and get a bite to eat. And now we're ready to go. We got the last 55 miles, I think it is, to Pahrump, and we'll be getting settled in there. And we're off. So as you can see, this vehicle, the van and the trailer, both are filthy. So we made it to the RV park where we're staying at in Pahrump. And before we even worry about parking and getting set up, which we were very much anxious to do and to relax for a bit after 5 days on the road, we're giving it a quick bath and at least getting the worst of the road mess off from Utah, where it was snowing and icy and messy. It'll be a big improvement anyway.